Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Most of you would say Canada, right? Or maybe Indonesia or Russia.
No.
But what if I told you that there is a country whose coastline is longer than the entire circumference of Earth itself? Sounds impossible, right? The answer is Norway. Yes, this Scandinavian country has a coastline measuring approximately 1,915 kilometers. And what is Earth's circumference? Only 40,075 kilometers. That's more than 2.5 times Earth's circumference. But how is this even possible? Norway isn't even the biggest country. Let me show you exactly why this happens. The secret lies in Norway's unique geography. Look at this map carefully. Norway has something called fjords. These fjords are deep, narrow inlets carved by glaciers thousands of years ago. Imagine a straight line versus a zigzag line. Both connect the same 2 points, but the zigzag much longer, right? This is exactly what happens with Norway's coast. Famous fjords like Sonefjord, Hardangerfjord, and Fjord. That is 205 km long, one is 179 km long, and one is UNESCO's World Heritage Site. Each fjord adds hundreds of kilometers because you have to measure every curve, every inlet. Norway has approximately 50,000 islands. This is second factor. When you measure coastline, you count every island's perimeter. This is called the coastline paradox in geography. The more detailed your measurement, the longer the coastline becomes. Canada has the longest coastline, but Norway is most complex relative to its size. Norway has land area is only 3,85,000 square kilometer, which is smaller than my Rajasthan. So, this is the incredible geography of Norway, a country shaped by ice age glaciers, creating one of the most complex and beautiful coastline on earth. This coastline made Norway a maritime superpower, from Viking explorers to modern shipping and fishing industries. Geography is truly fascinating, isn't it? If you found this interesting, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.